Okay, example 5, the measures of angles A, B, C, and D are in the ratio 1 to 2 to 4 to 2. Find the measure of each angle. So let's, not even focusing on the words yet, let's just take a look at this picture. What I see is a bunch of angles that create overall a straight line. What do you know about a straight line? 180 degrees, right? So, I know that A, B, C, and D together add up to 180. Okay? Is that a usable equation?
Yeah.
Will it help us find anything?
Probably not.
Probably not. It's too many variables, right? It's true. It's absolutely true. There's nothing wrong with it. It's absolutely true. But I've got too many variables. I need to have 3 more equations involving A, B, and C, and D in order to make that useful. And then the problem I'd have would be very, very challenging. You have those elimination problems with 2 letters. That'd be 4 letters, 4 equations. Eliminating, substituting would just be a big mess. Half a page of paper, writer's cramp, just terrible stuff happening. So hopefully they gave me some kind of information that'll make it easier. And the information they gave me is right here. They told me the angles A, B, C, and D are in a ratio of 1 to 2 to 4 to 2. What that means is that if I were to multiply x times each one of these things, that would be the same ratio. I don't know what x is. I don't know how much I'm supposed to multiply each thing by, but I know that angle B is twice as big as angle A, according to this. I know angle C is 4 times as big as angle A, according to this. I know angle D is 2 times as big as angle A, according to this. And I know angle A is x. So B is double, C is quadruple, D is double. Anytime they give you a ratio like that, just stick an x on every ratio number and rename the angles those things. So if the ratio is 5 to 6 to 7 to 8, 5x, 6x, 7x, 8x. Whatever the ratio is, just put an x on every number, rename the angles those things, and then you're able to use the single letter x to represent all 4 angle measures. So A is x, plus B, which is 2x, plus C, which is 4x, plus D, which is 2x, equals 180. Once I get down to just an x equation, again, this is true but not very useful. Once I substitute x terms in for all these letters, now I've got a very useful single variable equation. Now I can solve it. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 makes 9x. And if 9x is 180, x therefore has to be 20. It says find the measure of each angle, so our job is to find the measures of A, B, C, and D. A equals B equals C equals D equals. A equals x, so A is 20 degrees. B is 2 times x, 2 times 20 is 40 degrees. C is 4 times x, 4 times 20 is 80 degrees. And D is 2 times x, 2 times 20 is 40 degrees. These 4 angles, if you add them up, 20 plus 40 is 60, plus 80 is 140, plus 40 is 180. B is twice as big as A, C is 4 times as big as A, D is 2 times as big as A. The ratio's there. Angles out at 180, all the right answers. This type of problem happens on a test. It happens on a few homework assignments exactly like this. I'll give you this picture, I'll give you the ratio, stick x's on the ratio numbers, add them up to 180, figure out x, you figure out every angle measure. About 2/3 of my students miss it every year. I do not know why. I don't know. Hopefully you 4 think it's easy enough. I don't know. But every year, about 2/3 of my students miss it on the test. I'm baffled. But I don't know, maybe it's practice, maybe there's a little lack of understanding, I don't know. If you're getting right on homework, you'll probably get it right on the test. If you're not getting right on homework, make sure you get a clear understanding before the test happens involving that problem.